I am Vishal. Right now I am leading the tech department as VP at AdmitCard. I joined the AdmitCard journey because I believe the problem statement which we are trying to solve. AdmitCard has the vision to provide one-stop solution for the aspiring international students. We are creating the digital platform which can be accessed by students from anywhere, anytime, and use our recommendation service to take informative and correct decisions for the target universities. After the student have finalized the university, we help them for the application process, about the profile building, about the visa applications, and also the post-admission services like loan and scholarships and everything. To start the journey, student have to fill up a questionnaire form which has around about 12 to 15 questions. We just want to take the clarity on the objective, what students want and why they want to go study abroad. After the student have filled that form, we connect them with the experts, the best experts as per the details filled by the students. And now these experts basically help the students in taking the right decisions, structuring their thought process, and help them with the process. Lead Squared had played a very critical role in structuring the operations, increasing the efficiency, reduce the lead leakage, and the Lead Squared automations have helped us a lot in reducing the manual effort, which have eventually increased the conversion rate and have also increased the customer satisfaction. So before Lead Squared, we had our own CRM. We tried to basically build the CRM where we can have the list of all the students, get connected with them over email or call. But we realized that our core business is somewhere else, right? And it was taking a huge bandwidth of the tech team to just manage that CRM. It created the problem from scalability point of view, which means that there were lead leakages, data security, scalability, and the automations. These were the problems which we were facing before Lead Squared, and after Lead Squared, all these things were solved very soon. Other than organic leads, we do have basically partnership. We do have social campaigns where we run some of the social campaigns over emails, or Facebook, or Instagram, and we get the leads directly from there. Lead Squared provide very rich integrations. We have used Facebook integration and Google Calendar integration with the Lead Squared, which provides you very smooth experience if you want to use some other third-party services with Lead Squared. It has integration with WhatsApp. It has integration with some of the good cloud telephonies in the industry, which has helped us in getting in touch with the students on frequent basis. And especially the WhatsApp, it has given us the opportunity to reach our students whenever we want. About automations, I am a fan of Lead Squared automations. We have basically implemented very complex logics in automations. Even we have taken help of the technical team of Lead Squared to understand how to utilize it at its best. We have also asked them to develop a few of the features which they have developed, and it has given us the flexibility to take the lead at the right place and to create the alerts if required whenever it is required. About calling, like earlier before Lead Squared, we were calling around about 50 students on each day. After connecting with Lead Squared, we are calling around about 150 to 200 students every day per expert. Lead Squared also has a very strong feature of posting the activities. Though we use activities to operate our students in the journey, and posting these activities help us a lot to ask the other teams what needs to be done on Lead Squared. Right, so just like in order to connect with a mentor, we just post a simple activity on LSQ, and there is a separate team who basically get the notification based on those activities and connect the students with the mentors as soon as possible. After Lead Squared, each expert is able to produce around about twice of the revenue. We are using Lead Squared from past 2.5 years, and we have shown constant increase in the efficiency, because day by day Lead Square is releasing more and more features, and it is creating impact in the conversion rates and the efficiency. One of the best thing about the Lead Square that they have a dedicated support member for you always, point of contact, which is always there for you to resolve your queries as soon as possible. For most of our queries, it gets resolved on the same day. The top 3 features which we love most about Lead Square is the automation, the flexibility in the automation, the customization at the activity level, and their API integration. So about my experience with Lead Square, first of all, it is very smooth to integrate anything with Lead Square, because they have very rich customization with the webhooks and the API integration. They have sorted a lot of problems for us which we were not able to solve. If any business who wants to focus on their core algorithms or core agenda, they should use Lead Square for managing their leads, so that they can focus their whole resources on providing the right solutions to their students. Lead Square has a functionality of smart views, where we can basically populate the exact leads on which an expert needs to work on. That gives the clarity to the experts that these are the, let's say, X amount of customers on which you have to work today. On the next day, it's going to have a different set of basically customers on which they have to work. So in this way, each expert have the clarity that where to work, on which customer they have to focus more. For the managers, Lead Square have the functionality of reports, where they can download a rich report where they can basically apply their own formulas over the Excel sheets and get the clarity of the whole team in a one shot. Students perform some kind of actions on our portal, which triggers some kind of automations on Lead Square, and hence student moves ahead in the journey. Just like whenever student confirms the shortlist, we move the milestone to the create application, so that the operations team get the information student have confirmed the courses, and now they have to start the application process. Lead Square plays very critical role in the whole journey of the student, because we started from the lead creation, sending the notifications to the students, sending the alerts, and we take the journey till the visa. And Lead Square plays a critical role at each step. Right now we do have 52 milestones at the student level, and we do have dedicated milestones for each action, and we have dedicated automations for each milestone, so that student can get a customized and personalized experience at each level.
Hi, so my name is Himanshu. As of now, I am handling the operations part, and we are connecting through many students using Lead Square. So there are many notifications which we are sending to the students as soon as the student comes on our platform and their details gets updated in our system. So we just send them multiple welcome notifications, and according to that, like, we ask them to just give some information about their profile. Earlier, sending these notifications were not that much easy, but once we are using the Lead Square platform, so this has helped us a lot for giving providing good notifications at multiple time durations. According to this, the conversion rate has increased. If, let's say, we talk about the conversion which was before Lead Square, so that was somewhere around, we can say, 200 students or 300 students, and that has grown to we can say that 700 students.